Hi Diva, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Diva here, back with another video. And as you guys read from today's title, I am reviewing the new Cremated palette by JEFFREE STAR Cosmetics. This palette is the talk of the nation, girl. The talk of the world. There's a lot of tea on this damn palette and I'm super excited to review it. I'm super excited to dive into it. Super excited to put it on my eyes. Before we get started today's video, I am doing a giveaway with two other Cremated palettes. I didn't think I was going to be getting this in the mail, so I purchased it, of course, and I was able to snag two of them. So if you guys are wanting a chance to win, stay tuned to the end to find out how to enter. And without further ado, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, first of all, this, I don't remember what this is called, but the sleeve, the unit container, this thingy is sickening. But this is C-U-N-T, girl. This is sickening. And when you open the palette, girl, obviously I played with it, okay? There's no way this was coming in the mail and I wasn't gonna touch it. I am very excited right now, y'all. Super excited. So, if you don't know me, obviously I'm the Diva. Hi, welcome to my channel. I am obsessed with the color gray. My entire house is gray. All my furniture is gray. I might as well be gray, okay? I love gray. It just is such a neutral tone. It can mean so much, you know? Like, red means angry, blue means cute and happy. But like gray is just like, what does gray mean? So it's like a mystery. So I love it. I love the color gray. So when this palette came out, it screamed me. I love it. And as a person that's obsessed with gray, I know it looks ashy and I know it looks crazy. And there's no ashy colors in this palette. Maybe with this color, Life Insurance, but other than that, there is neutral colors in here. If you really just take a look, this really could be an everyday palette. As you can see, there is a ton of neutral cool tone browns. Don't get those mistaken with gray. So this is not just a palette full of grays. I see greens, I see blues, I see shimmers, I see silver, I see black. Girl, this is sickening. I see champagne shades. I don't see just gray. Maybe it's just because I'm a gray fanatic, but girl, this palette is sickening and I'm ready just to dive into it, okay? If you're new to my channel, I really only swatched about 5 shades just because Jeffree already swatched them all. So I will have his video linked down below. But I'm just gonna swatch some shades that stand out to me. So of course, this, oh my god, this was super soft, you guys. That looks amazing. These shimmers are just incredible. I'm gonna swatch Inheritance. It's like an army color. It's really, really sickening. And then we'll do, this looks a little light, Life Insurance. Wow, you guys. And then let's do a shimmer, Afterlife. Oh, okay. So I do have some old foundation stuff on my hands, but that's okay. So this is Hearse, which is the all matte black. I don't know why on the camera it's coming up like that. It's pretty black. And then we have Inheritance, which is the nice army brown, which is extreme pigment, girl. Then we have Life Insurance. Oh, that swatched amazing. And then we have Afterlife, which is like a champagne, which will be sickening as a highlighter. Oh my god. I do have some residue on my finger, but I do want to show you guys Angel of Death. That's that like shimmery black. It is insane. That is enough to gag over, girl. So I obviously zoomed ways in a little bit closer, and off camera I did add some primer onto my lids just so we can get started. I think I want to start off with the shade Life Insurance, the shade that we swatched in the beginning. This just looks like the perfect cool tone gray. Duh. So I am going to start off by just packing this on the inner part of the lid. That pigmentation is very present. She just tested positive. I'm gonna go ahead now in with the shade Wednesday. This shade is like my color. I love this shade. It's sickening. Wednesday's a nice cool tone. I am very curious about these colors because grays and blacks are not at all easy to not only work with but to make. So hopefully these are sickening. I haven't seen anyone else's videos. I'm sure there's gonna be some people that have 5-star reviews, but let's see. This shade up here, Life Insurance, is kind of blending away just a tiny bit, not too much that we can't fix it. But now I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush. This is the Morphe M433. Use code DIVA. I'm gonna go back in with Life Insurance and kind of blend in between that. That patchiness is not working with me, sis. Come on now. Okay, now I got that shade on. I'm gonna go back over it later. I'm gonna be kind of the crease anyway, so I'm not really worried about it. But yes, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Gravedigger, this really dark gray up here. It looks way darker in person. I'm just gonna place this out here. This color is very pigmented. And now I'm gonna start kind of winging it a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I'm still having a little bit of issues with life insurance. So what I'm gonna do now is just take it all the way up to the brow bone and kind of just diffuse this edge here too. And you can see it's really diffusing nicely. So I think it might just be reacting with my primer maybe, because look how sticking that it's blended out. I don't know why it's having that weird moment right there. Yeah, you guys can see it's working very well to blend out that dark shade. Okay, so I did deepen it up with a little bit of Hearst off camera, and I did apply some concealer to my lid. I'm gonna be going in with the shade, I don't know how to say this, Pallbearer? Oh! Up here, this corner sickening shade up there. Okay, so this is actually too dark, so let me just apply it out here. Now I'm just going with the shade Goodbye, just right in the center right here. It's more like matte-ish. I don't know, these are very interesting shimmers. And that blended very, very sickening into it. Now I'm gonna be taking Diamond Ashes, which is the lightest shade, and just applying this to the inner corner and bringing it up. Wow, and I don't even have a wet brush, you guys. Oh, yes, that's so sickening. Okay, everyone, so I'm back with the finished look. What do you guys think? I think it came out so sickening. I did use a nice silver metallic paint for the bottom mascara, and I also ran that into my waterline as well. I just feel like everyone, assuming, is gonna do a lot of black smoky eyes, so I want to do something more grayish, and I think it really came out really good. Oh my gosh, obviously I'm giving this palette a 10 out of 10. I am in love with it. I'm gonna have to say I'm a little bit biased towards this palette, because this palette is pretty sickening. If you didn't get your hands on it, girl, I'm so sorry, but that's okay, because we got a giveaway, girl. I know there is a lot of controversy? Anyways, I know there was a lot of that around this palette, and I just think it's too innocent, you guys. Makeup takes too long. Obviously, Jeffree did not know that Miss Coronavirus, Miss Rona, was gonna pop out during this time, and I don't think that we should correlate them. I definitely think you guys should grab it when it restocks. But if you guys want the palettes a little bit sooner, I am doing a giveaway of 2 of the palettes. All you guys have to do is be subscribed to me, follow me on IG at cohlsworld, comment on this video where you are from and also your IG handle, that way I can find you, and like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Get the cremation palette when you can. And yeah, I love you, divas. See you guys in the next one. Bye, everyone.